Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you and remind you of one of the most miraculous movements that you can do to restore your posture, help heal your knees, your shoulders, your hips, your ankles, your toes. I mean, this movement just kind of restores you. It resets your nervous system and resets your body. And it's just rocking on your hands and knees. And this is what it looks like. So if we keep our eyes and head up on the horizon, this is where we get our cervical curve and our lumbar curve as a child. This is where we can restore our posture as an adult. This is just such a fantastic movement, and you can see how your shoulders, your hips, your knees, your wrist, your spine, your pelvis, they all dance together as one whole body. This teaches your body how to put your joints together, all those individual movers, to become one just beautiful symphony of movers. So it combines everything in your body. Your body learns that it's whole and not a bunch of parts and pieces. This teaches your joints how to move, but it also teaches the muscles around those joints how to stabilize the joints and the movers around those joints how to move the joints. So everybody learns how to do their role in the body. Your knees learn how to move with the hips and the ankles and the toes. Your wrists learn how to move with the shoulders. Just puts everything together for you. And again, it restores your posture. The other thing that this movement does for you is pretty much soothes your soul. Rocking back and forth is a wonderful way to help regulate your emotions, to calm yourself, and to just put your nervous system at ease. So, if you're looking for a movement that can make you feel better physically, mentally, and emotionally, this is the one. And if you're looking for a movement that can help you heal your shoulders or your hips or your knees after a surgery or an injury, this is the one. And if you're just looking for a movement that just makes you feel good in general, this is the one. Obviously, you can change your foot positions. You can work your toes in different ways. You can change your hand positions. You can put your hands closer together. You can put your knees farther apart. You can do this in so many different ways, and all the ways are beneficial and worth exploring. Anyway, this is the miracle movement that was actually embedded in your nervous system before you were born in order to tie your body together, to build your brain, and weave everything about you into being you. Give it a shot. If you haven't been doing it, you're missing out. But if you do it, change your life. All right, guys, I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.